Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be discussing a company called Southern Silver Exploration and why I like the company as an investment. They are a silver exploration company with a flagship property in Mexico called Cerro Las Manitas. The main goal of the company is the development of this asset into the next major silver mine in Mexico. And it looks like this is a very realistic goal given the background of the management team, the size and grade of the deposit, and the economics of the project. I will go over what the company has currently accomplished towards this goal and the next steps the company is taking to move this project towards being a major silver mine. The company has completed a resource estimate on Cerro. The deposit so far contains about 300 million ounces of silver equivalent at a grade of about 250 grams per ton. As you can see down below on the chart, Cerro stands out amongst its peers when you consider both size and grade of the deposit. Some other projects have more tonnage and some have a higher grade, but Cerro has both size and grade, making them a leader amongst its competitors. It would make a lot of sense for a major mining company looking to increase their silver production to want to cut a deal with the owners of the most economic deposit. I think that the silver project is in the top two in Mexico. The company has also an updated PEA. The project shows very strong numbers of an after tax NPV of $501 million and an IRR of 21%. The numbers are quite strong and deserving for further production development. Proximity to infrastructure is excellent. The property is transected by two federal highways, a railway line, and transmission lines. They also have the support of the locals and the leadership in the area. The next milestone for mine development is to increase the resource by 4 to 8 million tons. This will be done in a staged drill program totaling 25,000 meters of drilling. Southern Silver is currently drilling 6,000 meters to test shallow areas around the eastern and northern deposits. The second phase of the expansion will include up to 19,000 meters of drilling to test down dip projections of the South Skarn and Bacona deposits. As a catalyst in the near future, the company has completed 6 holes for 2,395 meters in their current 6,000 meter program, and assays are pending for those 6 holes. Southern Silver is also looking at improving engineering areas of the mine, such as development rate, mill throughput, processing circuit optimization, and ore sorting. So management is looking at all possibilities to add value to this already very robust project. Other important news could come from their Oro copper property, a gold moly project, and their Hermanas gold and silver project, both located in New Mexico, with permitting in progress for drilling in 2025 on both of those properties. Southern Silver is extremely well managed. This project has been advancing in a timely, efficient manner. Most notably, Lawrence Page was involved in the advancement and development of the Peñasquito mine, which is currently Mexico's largest gold producer. Management has proven in the past they have the ability to find and advance a resource project into production. We will look at the current value of the company, a couple of different ways here to value the stock that has a resource estimate and an economic study out. The one on the left is how to calculate the market cap to NPV valuation in the PEA. So if you take the market cap, then divide by the NPV, you get a number of 0.01. So in a very weak market, this number is fairly common, but in a strong market, these valuations can go up to zero point 0.5, giving a 5 times potential upwards movement in the stock. The other way is to take the market cap and divide by the ounces of silver in the ground. Southern Silver is valued at about 20 cents per silver ounce in the ground right now. In a better market, this can re-rate to $1 or giving a higher price target of, again, 5 times return with no discovery potential whatsoever. Cerro isn't being valued right now like it will be a future mine. The market is really valuing the company as just another cheap resource name. This is the 2-year price chart of Southern Silver. The price has dipped significantly from 34 cents to 19 cents. So a nice looking entry at the moment. Southern Silver is moving at a timely pace towards its goals of developing the next major silver mine in Mexico. Even at this point, I think they have the standout grade and size at their Sierra Las Manitas deposit to become a mine in Mexico. The PEA also reinforces this with very strong IRR and NPV numbers. The company continues to increase the value of the deposit by adding an additional 4 to 8 million tons, which further strengthens the case of this project to get into production. As the market starts to understand this development story, the share price cannot stay at 20 cents per ounce in the ground. I own shares in the company. Please do your own research. This is not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.